I know a lot of you don't know this, but I will teach you this for free. Do you know where to apply a base color on your eyeshadow? Or you just pick eyeshadow brush and apply eyeshadow and you sit down and watch this video, and I promise you will learn one or two by the end of it. Let's go. Before you start applying that your eyeshadow, make sure that you have blended the concealer very well. The concealer that you use to blend the lower part of your brows, blend it very well. When you are done, use your pressing powder. Press it in very well so that it will not be creamy. That area needs to be dry before you continue, so that your eye will not start forming cream by the end of the makeup or before 24 hours. Then when you are done, the next thing to do is to apply your eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow primer helps your eyeshadow to pop out very well. It helps your eyeshadow to last. So when you are done, make sure that you blend that eyeshadow primer very, very well. Blend it like your life depends on it, so that there will be no harsh line. Harsh line makes your eyeshadow not to pop out well. It makes your eyeshadow not to look professional. And the harsh line will even spoil any design of eyeshadow that you wanted to create. When you are done blending, the next thing to do is to start with your base. Don't start with another color. Though some makeup artists that start with the main color, after they will start off with their base. But if you are still a beginner, my dear, start with the base. And for the application of the base, start from the ending part of your client's eye shape. All clients have their own different eye shape. Then from that ending part on top, blend and apply your base color. Blend it towards your eyebrows, but it must not touch the eyebrows so that it not look like a lodo. Then when you are done blending, the next thing to do, go in with the color you wanted. So this eyeshadow, I used my brown color as my base. Then I used black eyeshadow as the main color, which the first color I applied at the back of her eye. Then I used my pigment color with my glitters color. So application of the glitters, I applied the glitters in the middle and I used 2 shades of glitters. Remember, what I am doing here, I am trying to apply an eyeshadow that will pop out her face and still maintain that dark skin, beautiful girl that I'm working with. I don't want an eyeshadow that will make her to look very bright. I still want an eyeshadow that will, dim everything and make her face pop out, make her black color to look beautiful. Then when you are done with your eyeshadow application, make sure that you are blending. Anywhere 2 colors mix together, blend it to form an umbrella. Blend it to form an umbrella. You don't need to form any kind of harsh line, so that when somebody is looking at it, the person will know where you applied black and where blue started and where red started. No, you need to blend everything. There will be no harsh line. It need to form umbrella. Then when you are done with the application of the eyeshadow, the next thing to do, apply your eyeliner. Look at her eye. Eyeliner pop out your makeup. It pop out the eyeshadow. It makes the eyeshadow to look extraordinarily beautiful. All this thing is part of adding beauty to what you are doing. So when you are done, if you want your eyeshadow to be lifted, you give her cat eye shape, lift the face. Then you can use your concealer, conceal that part in a slight slender way. Then use a blending brush, blend it. Don't blend it with your blending foam, because you might spoil your work. Use a small blending brush, blend it. After blending, use your pressing powder again. Don't leave it like that though. Use your pressing powder. Press that area very well, because you don't need cream. My dear, if you follow this procedure that I just dropped, I believe and I bet you that your eyeshadow will start looking extraordinarily beautiful from today henceforth. See how she's looking very, very beautiful. Do you see how the eye popped out her makeup, making it to look extraordinarily beautiful? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this page a follow, like, share and comment for more beauty tips from us. Thank you.